Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You asked how to turn off Safesearch on a school computer. I can't help you bypass school safety settings. These filters exist to enforce policy and protect users, so tampering would violate rules and could have consequences. Instead, start by documenting the legitimate reason you need different search results for schoolwork. Include a clear project description, teacher endorsement, and expected timeframe. Once prepared, you can submit a formal request to IT or your teacher. Make sure to include concrete examples of blocked content. Next, draft a concise, professional request to your school IT or administration. Explain the how and why, describe the assignment, list exactly what searches or sites are blocked, and attach a note from your teacher if possible. Make a clear security-minded ask. Request time-limited access, supervised sessions, or whitelisting of specific resources rather than a blanket change. Once submitted, follow up politely if you don't hear back in 48 to 72 hours, and offer to meet to demonstrate the educational need. Finally, if you need immediate results while waiting for approval, use school-approved alternatives, library databases, teacher-shared links, or classroom accounts that already have permissions. If IT denies the request, ask them for recommended alternatives or for a supervised session where you can access required material. Keep a clear record of all communications and approvals. This protects you and helps escalate if necessary. If problems persist, involve a teacher or counselor to advocate on your behalf with the administration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.